Did a software update break the vbe6intl library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Microsoft Office running again. As we prepare to resolve vbe6intl library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the vbe6intl library, the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, International Resource Library. It houses the localized string tables, menu templates, and dialog icons required for the VBA editor in Office 2000-2007. It handles the localized translation of error messages and UI elements for macros. Without it, the VBA environment will display resource not found errors or fail to initialize in the target language. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. vbe6intl is required by Microsoft Office to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of Microsoft Office ensures all required application DLLs are restored. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including vbe6intl library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double check your inputs. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for vbe6intl library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining vbe6intl library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve vbe6intl library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.